What up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing mostly all Fenty products, but I'm gonna really focus on this. Is from the Beach Please collection. Super new. I hadn't even used it yet, so I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna use it on the eyes and on the face and blush and highlight, but I'm also gonna mix it with a couple different highlights. Okay, so let's get started. So I recently got lash extensions and I honestly haven't done my makeup, my eyeshadow, so let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna start with my eyes. Again, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Killawatt in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. So I'm gonna start, let's see, I want to do the orange on the lid, so I'm gonna start with the pink, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe M441 brush. This is one of my favorite blending brushes. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the product. Oh my god, no, my nails fucked it up. How sad. I'm gonna get a little bit of the product, and when I go in and pick up product, you want to make sure that you're using just the tip of the brush and you're not going in and patting on the side. Okay, so I also like to tilt my head back a little bit more. If you actually just look straight and tilt your head up, you have all this space and you can see your crease very well. So it's better if you do like that. And actually it's even better because you're not going to be walking around with your eyes like this all day, so you can see how everybody's going to see your eyes when they're already opened. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start at the outer corner here at the crease, and I'm gonna, whoa, this shit is pigmented. I did not expect that. Well, I kind of did, but I forgot. I'm going in here. When you get here, you want to come back out and blend from out here, so you're not going like back and forth. That already blended really nice. I do like to go in with just like a clean brush just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. This one is the Morphe M505, so it's just clean. I'm just gonna go in and mainly just like on the edges here on the top, I'm gonna go in and blend that out. You see how much softer it looks and more blended. Okay, stop it. Alright, so you want to do the same thing to the other side. The difference, and look at how nice and soft this looks over here. So you want to make sure that you go ahead, even though it looks okay, you can see that difference from here. Like, it just looks super blended and smoothed out. So we're gonna go back in with the clean brush and then just go ahead and blend that. I low-key forgot about the lashes. Look at, but my friend actually did my lashes and she did an awesome job, so I actually put her info if you guys are interested. I think for summer it's like perfect to have these falsies, these lash extensions, because it's super easy, you ain't gotta do much, and you wake up cute. oh okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the Huda palette. This is the OG palette. I still have like the first formula that came out and I fucking love it. I don't give a fuck what people say. It's a little I'm gonna go in with my Sephora number 27 brush. So this is kind of like a fluffy brush, but you can see at the sides it's kind of flat, so it's nice to pack on color and then go ahead and blend. So it looks kind of tricky. It looks flat from the front but kind of fluffy from the side. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up Man Eater, this color here, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing and get the product. Actually, for this one I'm gonna get it on the side because I'm gonna pack it on where I want it. I'm gonna go in at the corner here and just pack it on. So you're just pressing and then you're gonna go ahead and sweep towards the crease, but you can see it creates a lot of depth at the outer corner, so it's giving like a smoky realness, sangria moment. So same. Oh, I got the wrong color. Guys, notice I'm not doing swiper motions, window wiper, that shit. you don't want to do that. I mean, you could, it will work, but it's gonna take a lot longer for you to blend. So if you really think about it, you want the depth, the darkness at the outer corner. So if you go in and bring it in and then bring it back out, you're basically like moving the whole product. So you're bringing product here, then you're bringing it back over here. So what I'm doing is focusing the color at the outer corner, bringing it in to blend it, and once I'm blended there, pick up your brush and come back here, so the depth and the deepness of the color stays here. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Mimosa Sunrise. We're gonna go ahead and go in with this color here. This I'm gonna put on my lid, so I'm gonna use a flat brush, Sephora flat brush number 14. It's nice and flat. It is a natural brush though, so I'm going more for a natural kind of look. If you wanted this color to really pop out and be super vibrant and super orange, you can go ahead and use more of a synthetic brush, which would be a little bit more flat, and then you could spray it, and that's gonna make it look more foiled and more like glittery and stuff. But I still want a little bit of that beach, please. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit of the color here on both sides of the brush. Because of the lashes, I'm gonna go sideways. I keep forgetting that I have lashes on because they're so comfortable. Oh fuck, the fallout. I'm gonna have somebody blow. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Don't forget to go in with the clean brush and just sweep everything nice and soft. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So for under the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is the color Magenta, all over magenta, and number 900. These are actually the newest pencils that I have out, which are pretty cool because you can actually use them for all over the face. It's for the lips, for everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and actually use it for the eyes. We might use it on the lips, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go in and just line the bottom of my lash line. I want it a little bit more intense, so I'm just gonna keep going. You know what? I honestly thought these were a lot more because they're super matte. I thought they were more matte. Like harder to put on. They're super creamy. I feel so bad because I love Makeup Forever and I hadn't tried it on my eyes. But it's bomb. You need this in your life. And it comes in a bunch of colors. I want to say it's at least 35 colors, so there's a lot. So we're gonna go in with this one here again, and I'm gonna be using my, oh, this came off, but it's a Morphe brush. It's like a smudge brush, so it's from the Rose Gold collection, so it works really good for under the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of this, and I'm just really gonna go right on top of that liner I placed. I'm gonna go in with another Morphe brush. This is a M507. I love this brush. So I like the smudge brush to apply, and then this one to blend it out. I want it to look super smooth and blended out, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a softer pink. Going back with the Huda palette. I said it wrong the first time, but I caught myself. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. This one is called Flamingo. Go right under that color, so you're kind of applying it a little bit lower. This look as like a fast summer fun look. You could wear it day, you could wear it at night, you could wear it with lashes, with lash extensions, or no lashes, just mascara, and it'll look good either way. This is dope where you can use it just for the eyes and for the face too. I've never hit pan on a highlight like that ever. So I have this one, but let's finish the other one. Let's not be extra. 507. So this is actually a clean brush. I have another one inner corner here. I wanted to show you guys this because I'm so proud of it. So I'm gonna use the mascara, but not this mascara. So this is the Marc Jacobs mascara, Diamond Artistry, which is my business name. My Instagram name is Diamondrubss. I don't know if people get confused because I always put like a hashtag makeup by Rubes, but then my business name is Diamond Artistry. So yeah, we're gonna apply this mascara. I'm never gonna use that mascara, by the way. I need to like frame that shit and put it up. But this is the mascara. I'm gonna apply it on the bottom lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia bronzer, and guess what? I'm hitting pan on this too. I've never hit pan on a bronzer ever. I remember one time I went to CVS with my friend when I was like I think we were still in high school, like probably like freshmen or sophomores. But my friend Diana, we went to CVS and she wanted to buy a bronzer, and I could just not understand why she just wouldn't buy a fucking blush. I had never worn bronzer and I didn't even know what it did. I'm like, why don't she was gonna put it on her cheeks, so I'm like, why don't you just get a blush? I don't get it. And it's totally different than a blush. It's gonna give you structure to the face. You can use it as a contour. It'll give you warmth to the face as well. You can use it a lot of different ways. I use it as a contour, also to bring a little bit color back into the skin. Go ahead and start up here, let your brush fall, and then pick up and come back out here. So now we're switching over to the number 59 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit going over it. So now I'm gonna use my Morphe blush brush. I like it because it's fluffy and round. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of the product here. My 2 fingers, and that's where you want to apply your blush, right there. Oh my god, I love it! This is what I'm gonna use on the lips. So I'm also gonna go in with that Makeup Forever color pencil, and of course the Fenty Gloss Bomb. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really love this, and it's a perfect killawatt for summer. You need this shit in your life too. These two are like a must. So these were the products that I used. Cut that off.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, so now let's finish up the face. I'm gonna go in. That was perfect.